Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, we are in the bathroom because we're going to do something with this hair today. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I wash my knotless box braids. This is a question that I get all of the time. As you guys may or may not know, I've been wearing protective styles in my hair since May. And so many of you guys wrote me like, how do you wash your hair? How do you keep your scalp clean while you have in protective styles, especially for a longer period of time? So I've had in these knotless box braid since July 4th was my braid appointment, and as you guys can see, my part is splitting like the Red Sea. And not only is it splitting, but it's getting dirty. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see the little flakes that just flew out my hair, but my hair is getting dirty. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I cleanse my scalp while I have in protective styles, and my scalp routine that I've been doing in my hair while I've had in these knotless box braids that have also helped me promote a lot of hair growth. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button down below, and join the family because we're doing big things over here. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys find it helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, with your comments, with your opinions. Leave it down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I have in these knotless box braids. I've had them in since July 4th, and today is August 3rd. So tomorrow makes a month since I've had these in, and honestly, this is the longest that I've kept in a set of braids because one, I didn't have any hair sponsor content to do. Two, I just like to keep in my braids as long as I can. I paid for them. I sat down basically all day to get them done. So y'all gonna see these braids, okay? So these braids were done by my sister at Hair by Kimmy on Instagram. She's the one who does all of my protective hairstyles unless otherwise noted. And I did my braids in a color 350. So as I stated in my Instagram caption, it's not red, it's copper. So I really love this color. It was something different, something spicy, something that, you know, gave the girls something new. So I really love these braids. I do plan on keeping them in for at least another week or more if I can stretch it. But I do want to give you guys some natural hair content before I go ahead and put another set of braids in, because girl, when I tell you these braids make my life so much easier, like recording, taking pictures, going out, especially with the humidity and the heat outside, it just makes life easier. So summertime, just know that I'm gonna be protective style mommy. So if y'all have any natural hair requests, let me know so that I can squeeze it in between my little break. But I'm gonna show you guys what I do to my scalp. So I don't know if you guys can see, these lights are so bright, but I have a lot of product buildup. I have a lot of dandruff in my scalp, and I want to show you guys what I do to make sure my scalp is clean while I have in braids. So I know that some people like to actually like wash their scalp while they have in braids, but I'm not that type of girl. One, I don't have the energy to sit there and wait for it to dry, because if your hair doesn't dry properly, you can get mold, mildew in your scalp from just the moistness of, you know, the lack of dryation. I'm not with that. So yeah, I don't wash my hair as I regularly do when I have in protective styles. Also, it makes your hair like super heavy. It takes forever to dry. I don't have the time for that. So this is the one product that I've been loving to clean my scalp while I've had in protective hairstyles, and it is this Thayer's toning towelette in the lemon scent. So this is basically witch hazel, and this has an aloe vera formula. So it's just little towelettes. This is a new one, so I'm gonna open it up. I got this from TJ Maxx. At TJ Maxx it is $3.99, as you guys can see, but they do sell it on Amazon as well, so I'll have it linked down below in case you don't see them at TJ Maxx. You can get them off Amazon, and I think on Amazon it's only $1 more, so it's not like too big of a difference. But this is how big the towels are. They're like just mini towels, and I take one. It smells so good. I know some people use the Dyers, not too sure how to pronounce this brand, but I know some people use their witch hazel as a toner for the face. I wouldn't recommend that, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use it in a different way. So I'm gonna take this towelette, and I love these because they're not like soaking wet, but you can feel that they're moist. And I just go ahead and I wipe my scalp. I just put my finger like this so that I can go ahead and guide the towel along my scalp. I'm gonna go ahead, I have my baby hairs laid down, but I'm gonna go ahead and lift them up just so I can clean that spot. And I just go through and wipe it with the towelette. This gets rid of my product buildup, the flakes. I don't know if y'all can see it falling out, but let me turn this light off maybe. So I turn the light off because it may be easier for you guys to see it this way. I don't really get a lot of dandruff in general, so majority of the flakes that are in my scalp are like from product buildup throughout the week. I do this to my scalp once a week while I have in protective styles, just because I want to make sure that my scalp is like as clean as possible before I do my scalp care routines. So I just finished one towel, so I'm gonna go ahead and use another one. To do my whole head, I probably use like 3, maybe 4 towels depending on how much product built up I have, just to give you guys an idea. So I'm just going in and wiping my scalp. And I like doing this because it's quick and easy. Like, you really don't have to sit around and wait for your hair to dry and worry about like your hair being too heavy. I just like it so much better, especially in the summertime. It's quick, it's easy, gets the job done, and all of that. So I really like it. And before I discovered that they had these wipes, I was actually using like the witch hazel in a bottle and putting it on like a cotton round. So once I saw that they offered these towelettes when I was in TJ Maxx, I'm just like, yeah, this is a game changer, because I can go ahead and I can pack this to travel if I'm going away. It's cruelty free. And also, depending on like if you have sensitive scalp or not, you may feel like a little tingle on your scalp as you are doing this. I don't really have a sensitive scalp, but I do feel a little tingle on my scalp when I do this routine. So I did want to let y'all know that that's a possibility. It usually takes me like 10 minutes to clean my scalp this way and do my scalp care routine. So, you know, this is something you could do quick and easy in the morning before you run to work. I like to do this after I work out in the morning. I try to do it like Monday mornings just so I have like a fresh start. So yeah, and then after I go through, I just flip my hair over like so, and make sure I get the back, and then I'm done. So my scalp feels nice and refreshed. I don't see any flakes, which I love. We love. And after I do that, it's time for my scalp care routine. So as you guys may or may not know, I use Mazani 25 Miracle Milk. This is my holy grail product while I have in protective styles. It moisturizes my hair so easily, and it just is so lightweight. I don't have to worry about it feeling too heavy on my braids. So I really enjoy using this leave-in conditioner while I have in protective styles. I feel like there's a major misconception like, oh, when I have in protective styles, I'm just gonna oil my scalp and go. No, it doesn't work like that. I probably said it a million quadrillion times on my channel. Oil is not a moisturizer. Oil is a sealant. Leave-in conditioners, creams, those are moisturizers. So you want to make sure that you moisturize your scalp first, and then you go ahead and seal with an oil. So to moisturize my scalp, I use this Mazani 25 Miracle Milk. You can get this from Ulta or Sephora, and I just go ahead and I just spray my scalp. I make sure I get in between the braids. It smells so good too. This Miracle Milk is called 25 Miracle Milk because it has 25 benefits for the hair, which are all listed on the back of the packaging. It comes in this size, like this is a big boy, but they also have, I think it's like an 8-ounce bottle. But I finished that. I finished 2 of those. Well, I finished like 1.5. First one had like a half. Well, I had these braids in. I do this maybe like every other day, just because I feel like when it's hotter outside, my hair gets dry quicker. So I just want to make sure my hair is moisturized. Okay, so I go in and spray that, and then I go in with my fingers and I just massage that in to make sure it's nice and worked in on the scalp. You guys, my hair has grown so much while I've had these braids in, and I'm about to show y'all how and why. So I just go ahead and massage this in until I don't see like any direct squirts anymore, and it's nice and melted all the way. Put my light back on. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So I put my light back on just so y'all can see what it is and what it do. So I'm gonna go ahead, I massage that in, and now I'm gonna go in with my oil, which is our sealant. So this is going to help us seal the moisture into our hair. So the oil I've been using is from Hair So Flourish, which is a black owned brand. This is their hair growth serum. This serum is a mix of different oils, a blend of different oils that help promote hair growth. So honestly, my hair has grown the most in this set of knotless braids, and the only thing I've changed is that I started using this oil. So this oil has like a dropper. So what I do is I go ahead and pick some product up on the dropper and I put it in the palm of my hand. Ooh. So I'm going to start off with this much oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and massage it into my fingertips and then rub it into my scalp. I don't really like going in directly with the dropper because I feel like I over apply. I end up wasting product, and I also don't like the fact of like a clean dropper being put like on my probably not so clean scalp and then going back in the product. I kind of feel like that's cross contamination. So I just go ahead and massage that into my scalp. It feels so good. It also smells good. So I'm gonna go back in, take a little bit more of that oil, boom, massage it into my fingertips, and I'm gonna work that into my scalp. Okay, so once that is all worked in, that is basically everything that I do. So that's how I refresh my scalp, clean my scalp with my towelettes, and then I moisturize with my Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. And last but not least, I seal in that moisture using my Hair So Flourish Hair Growth Serum. I'll have everything linked down below. For the Mizani Milk, I'll have the Sephora link and the Ulta link because I know some people have preferences of where they like to shop. But Mizani held it down. They gave the girls options. Okay, they said y'all could go to Sephora to get us, or y'all could go to Ulta to get us. So that is what I do to my hair like every other day. The moisturization, the cleaning I do once a week, and then I just put my hair up in a bun and wear it for the day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped. So many people have asked me, how do you clean your scalp, how do you wash your braids? And this is essentially how I wash my braids while I have in box braids or protective style. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button down below, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and until my next video, which will be on Friday, I'll see you guys later.